So now that we know a little bit about class variables, both the ones that we created and the ones that come by default or predefined in Python classes, I want to take a moment to talk about the next big idea in object-oriented programming, which is called inheritance. Now, let's think about the meaning of this word inheritance and how we use it in the English language. You may have heard someone say that a child can inherit some traits from their parents. Things like the last name, the eye color, some money if the kid is lucky. So if we were to take this meaning of inheritance, like we commonly use it in the English language, and turn it into code or model this in terms of programming, we would create a class called parent, which would have some attributes like last name and eye color. And then we would make a class called class child, which would inherit these two things from the class parent. Additionally, the class child could have another variable of its own called number of toys. Now, you may notice that if we design code like this, we are already beginning to reuse code, which is a huge advantage of object-oriented programming. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is take our design and convert it into actual code. Let's do that next.